Hello, I'm going to show you how I attach my GoPro camera to a remote controlled helicopter. Now I bought this helicopter from the local model shop. It cost me about £50. The problem is when I was flying it the other day, the legs broke. This is the I've already made a start. So far I've taken the screws out to the bottom of the legs that was on the helicopter. For the legs, basically I've chopped a length off to fit the helicopter, like this, and that'll be the legs. So you get, I've made two. Where the middle of the leg is. So what you want to do now is measure how far apart these are from here to here, so you know where to put them on the legs. It's about 9 centimeters. Um, 4.5 centimeters each side, which will make a nice 9 centimeters bang in the middle. So let's do that now. So now we've got 3 points. One here, in the middle, and another one here. This is the distance you can go up to. So we want to drill some holes now and attach it to the helicopter legs. Now what we can do is put it on, line it up with this edge here. Once we've cut the holes in there, we're just going to bolt them together. So I'm going to use the bolt and I'm just going to slide them through. Just tighten it up. Loosely. Then you've just got an L-shaped sort of thing there. I'm going to cut that end off in a bit. We'll just do that to all 4 holes, and then move, they won't fall off. Now what we've got to do is tighten them up. Problem is that it moves around a lot, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it back to the helicopter so it's in the right place, then tighten them up, and then we're going to sort out the plate where the GoPro mount goes. Press down and hold it there for a little while. So next, I've purchased some of these GoPro adhesive mounts, the flat ones. These I got a pack of 5 for £14 from Amazon, opposed to the GoPro website selling them about £20. It's worked out about £2.50 each, which is not bad. As you can see, it's the camera's still sticking out, so we're going to have to make the legs longer. The way I'm going to do that, I'm going to get the rest of the piece that I use, the L-shaped piece that I use for the legs, and I'm going to stick them two more identical legs, long enough to hold the camera inside still. There's like a centimetre or half centimetre that needs filling in. So basically what I've done is cut off the straight piece to the same length as this, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it with super glue. I'm going to measure it, glue it with super glue on the outside, not on the inside, so it won't get in the way of the camera. Do it on the outside, glue the helicopter leg here. I just want some good shots. So next thing is to stick the camera to the helicopter, and then we're going to take the backing off, and we're going to stick it in. Done is I have the app